Hello everyone, welcome to this session. We're still discussing about the climate change. And so far in our previous video, we discussed about the effects of the global warming. So far we've covered the four of them. So today let's move on to the fifth effect of the global warming, that is the ocean acidification. The ocean acidification occurs in this way, as explained below. Uh, as the levels of the carbon dioxide that is uh, within the atmosphere increases, the oceans also absorb some of the carbon dioxide. Now, this increases the acidity of the water, of the seawater, since this happened during since the Industrial Revolution that began in early 1700s. The acidity of the oceans has increased about 25%. So the acidity of the seawater has increased because of the levels of the atmospheric carbon dioxide that has increased, that has been uh, able to be absorbed by the oceanic water. Now, because of the acids that dissolve the calcium carbonate seawater that is more acidic, as the drastic effect on organisms with the shells made of these calcium carbonate, such as the corals, mollusks, shellfish, and the plankton. The acidic water is likely to dissolve the carbonaceous shells, thus endangering the lives of the sea creatures. So, if this is the other effect of global warming, the increase of the acidity of the seawater. Now, this increase of the acidity leading to some impact to the various sea creatures. Hope that's clear. And here, change in the ocean acidity will also affect the fish and the other aquatic animals and plants. If the current ocean acidification trends continue, the coral reefs are expected to become increasingly rare in areas where they are now common. So that's how ocean acidification looks like. And here's an image to demonstrate or to illustrate this. Moving on, the other effect of global warming is the effects on the plants and the animals. The effects of the global warming on the Earth's ecosystems if as huge effect, or as expected be found and widespread, because many species of the plants and animals are already moving their range northward or higher altitudes as a result of the warming temperatures. Additionally, the migratory birds and insects are now arriving in their summer feedings and nesting grounds several days or weeks earlier than they did in the 20th century. So here you can see how the global warming has direct impact on the various plants and animals. Uh, Warmer temperatures will also expand the range of the many disease-causing pathogens that were once confined to tropical and subtropical areas, killing off the plant and animal species that formerly were protected from these diseases. Now, these and the other impacts of the global warming, if left unchecked, will likely contribute to the disappearance of up to one half of the Earth's plants and one third of animals from their current range by the 2050. And here's a simple image that shows this effect of the global warming on the plants and the animals. Now, let's move on to the seventh point, that is effects on the humans. So this is the other impact of the global warming to humans. Uh, as dramatic as the effects of the climate change are expected to be on the natural world, the projected changes to human society may be even more devastating. Agricultural systems will likely be affected badly. Though growing seasons in some areas will expand, the combined impacts of droughts, severe weather, lack of snowmelt, greater number of diversity of pests, lower groundwater tables, and loss of arable land could cause several crop failures and livestock shortages worldwide. Now, this loss of food security might in turn create the havoc in the international food markets and would spark the famines, food riots, political instability, and the civil unrest worldwide. So that's how global warming has direct impact on the humans. Now, the effect of global warming on human health is also expected to be serious, as an increase in the mosquito-borne diseases such as the malaria and the dengue fever, as well as rise in the cases of the chronic conditions like asthma. already occurring most likely as a direct result of the global warming. And here's image of this, uh, just showing the effect of the global warming on the humans. So there you have it. That's all clear. Discussed all the various effects or the impacts of the global warming. We've seen many of them and hope they're all clear. We've discussed them in detail, and thank you.